This bird is so colorful that it looks like a flying jewel. The ring-necked pheasant is one of the most stunning birds in the world. With its bright plumage, long tail, and distinctive white neck ring, it's hard to miss. Originally from Asia, this bird was introduced to North America in the 1880s and quickly became a favorite among hunters and birdwatchers alike. Despite their ground-dwelling nature, pheasants can fly, but only in short bursts. When startled, they launch into the air with a loud, flapping escape. With their sharp eyesight and speed, these birds survive in the wild, despite threats from predators. For more amazing facts, like and subscribe Factorer.